am Boon. Okay, I am a lecturer. I'm a senior lecturer in the Faculty of Education, Languages and Psychology. I have a PhD in education, and I joined SEGi Kota in 2019. So I am quite new to SEGi University. I am the organizing chairperson of the Asia Pacific Conference on Curriculum and Instructional Designing 2021. And the objective of this conference is for us to provide an opportunity and platform to discuss on the importance of curriculum and instruction towards ensuring sustainable development in the society, be it environmental sustainability or socio-economic sustainability or even financial sustainability. So it's for us to discuss on sustainable development. Well, what inspired me the most in life is actually service to mankind and also great educators. So it truly is inspiring to me if I see individuals who are great educators and those who are really serving humankind. That inspire me the most. So what I think is most important for all of us is to believe in yourself, trust in your ability, and do the best that you can. Always remember serving humankind. Always remember to trust in yourself, to believe in God. Do the best that you could for humankind. So our environment and the earth that we have to be a good steward.